welcome back to my channel. Today I am making a quick prawn appetizer with a creamy Mayo Wasabi sauce. Let's get started. Let's begin with our sauce. For that, in a bowl add 3 tablespoons of mayonnaise, 1 teaspoon of wasabi. Stir to combine and keep it aside. In a pan, add 1 tablespoon of oil, 2 cloves of finely chopped garlic, 2-3 chopped red chilies. Deseed them if you don't want it to be spicy. Now saute for 30 seconds. Now we will add the prawns and let them cook for 2 minutes on both sides or until they are cooked through. Just make sure don't overcook the prawns. Now add salt to taste and 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Turn the heat off and add freshly chopped coriander leaves. Give it a good stir and then they are ready to eat. Let's plate them. On the serving plate, spread the sauce with the brush and place the prawns on the top. Garnish with coriander leaves. If you like this video, please like, comment and share, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you.